Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a brochure using Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do is, well, create a blank project. As you can see on my screen right here, I am using a landscape ratio for my project. You can use whatever ratio or aspect ratio that you want, and from here you can start editing it however you want. Now, brochures are meant to be folded, so it's best if you turn on the grid in the bottom right. However, this just enters this screen. That's not the grid, but I'm pretty sure you can, well, apply a grid as well. But yeah, you just divide it into threes, and then you can fill out every third with the content you like. You can add elements, you can add text, you can add images which you upload, you can draw with your mouse, you can do whatever you want, or you can go into designs and under templates and search up for a brochure, and then you'll have examples of what the brochures look like. Now, of course, these just look like simple presentations because I chose the presentation preset. However, you can pick up anything that you like, search for brochure, and search for a template which you can then edit freely to your heart's content. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.